I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locking purpose and audience so the AI writes to a goal. Provide 1-3 clear examples and raw source text. Once done, the model has context. Make sure to specify format, desired length, and any forbidden content. You should pick a suitable model and set constraints like style guide, reading level, and safety filters. Don't waste time on generic prompts. Instead, give concrete inputs so the AI produces usable first drafts immediately. You now run a stepwise workflow. Ask for a structured outline, then request a full draft from that outline. Once you have a draft, instruct the AI to refine voice, tighten sentences, or expand examples. Make multiple variants and compare them. This helps you pick phrasing and tone. Adjust generation settings like temperature and max tokens to control creativity. Keep iterating, saving useful lines, and merging the strongest pieces into a single coherent draft. You finish by copy editing for clarity, fact-checking, and inserting citations where needed. Once done, optimize for SEO or internal style. Make sure to run readability and plagiarism checks and convert the output into the required file format. If something breaks, like hallucinated facts, use targeted prompts to correct those sections and ask the model to cite sources or provide verbatim excerpts. Troubleshooting tip: if results drift, reset context and reprovide the 1-3 exemplar passages before regenerating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.